everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Akshatha, Pharm D intern. Today I am quite excited because my internship starts tomorrow. I am feeling both excited and I am eager to get through this phase quickly. I am fully aware that once this phase is over, we have a lot ahead. Like we should prepare for an interview, we should search for a jobs and many more things. But it's okay, life should move forward, right? So coming to the video, as I prepared for this new journey, I thought it would be great to share how I am packing my internship bag and share some essentials that help us to stay ready for the hospital rounds. So if you are family student or someone who curious to know what goes into the interns bag, then this video is for you guys. So let's get started. This is my small laptop bag and I'm planning to keep all my essential things in this bag. So this is one of my favorite bag because ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2-in-1 option ಇದೆ. Either we can use this bag as a backpack like this or we can use it as a handbag like this. I'll show you how. So yeah, now we can use this as a like handbag. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ನಂಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೀಚರ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅ ಪೆನ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೇವರ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ವಾರ್ಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ವಾರ್ಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸಿ ಎನಿ rare disease or a new treatment plan, I just note it down and after coming home I'll read about it. Next I make sure to pack these medical devices like sphygmomanometer or BP monitoring. Recently I purchased these all. You can see I didn't open also. Sphygmomanometer and pulse oximeter, glucometer ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ because as I'm intern now. We can also check the BP during our 3rd and 4th year, but I have not purchased at that time. I also tell you the cost. For sphygmomanometer, it costed 690 for me. Actually ಅವ್ರು ಮುಂಚೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಆಫರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 690ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಸೊ yeah, I'm keeping this in my bag. Next I have pulse oximeter. So it costed for me 695. I am packing this. Oh, actually they didn't give shell to this. I have to purchase today evening. I'll go and purchase. Next I have glucometer. For this it costed 750 for me. See, this is very cute box. I'm also keeping this. Along with glucometer we got these strips and the lenses we have to purchase separately. So it costed for us 350. Before I was not having stethoscope. That too I recently purchased. So this is my stethoscope. It costed me 850. So yeah, these all are my medical devices that I'm keeping in my bag. And next coming to the personal essentials. So in personal essentials I'm keeping hand sanitizer, mask and a water bottle. Presently I'm not having hand sanitizer. That I'll go and purchase today evening. Now I'm just keeping mask and a water bottle. Okay, now I'll give some bonus tips. Pack some snacks in your bag. Trust me, it really helps you. Don't forget to charge your mobile fully because it helps you for reference purpose. That's all I'm packing in my bag. Now I have some work to do. I should write a joining letter and I should iron my dress. I also go out and purchase some things. So yeah, meet you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.